All right, so we're at the Alicop launch. We have Carlton here, and we also have the general, legendary Walter Boyd. Blessings, Mr. Boyd. I forgive much respect, much respect. At the Alicop launch, we know your heart is here. Can you tell us what you think about the commission, the commission that is coming up, and you have been a part of it already? Can you tell us what your thoughts on it?
Yeah, man. I think in terms of football development locally, I think it's one of the biggest tournaments we could ever have, and it even means so much more to me because Ali is like a brother. He was a skipper of my Manning Cup team that when we won, so and it's all family. This Excelsior is my alma mater, so it's all family here, and I just feel great. I've been growing up all my life and knowing football. I just feel overjoyed that you can even give the youths coming up now. We can present them with chances and opportunities. Not just to play football, but it's also a program in which players get picked to go overseas, depending on yes, to get you get scholarships and stuff. So I think it's really a great event, and ever since even before school days, I've been friends with Sambo, Carlton, right? So to really grow, and I'm talking like almost over 40 odd years now, to have grown and to be here now doing this, it's like, yeah, man, it's a great feeling.
Sambo, the great Sambo. Sambo, you have the big general beside you. You have here an established chairman of a brilliant, a beautiful product of the youths. How do you make you feel about that?
Well, first and foremost, good evening and thanks to all. Real feel good to really see the growth of it this year, to see everybody come out. I can see the big step that we make from last year. Everybody was inside here, Issa was here to give her the seal of the improvement of the tournament. And then Walter says, Sambo, from Monday, me and him been at it, and like we say, yesterday, me and him hold one of the biggest conversations. And Walter says, Sambo, say, if really check it out, from 1977, me and you play, we are playing for Nannyville, for real. And I gotta tell you, yo, if can tell you that, if him can tell you, me and him play for every team except when we go play minor league, him play for Union Garden, and me play for Jonestown, but we play for 2nd Street, and remember, I tell you, man, every team, and me and Walter go to Mount View Road, and I would just continue. Third wheel.
Scholar, scholar.
Come in.
Yeah.
Come in and join the crew.
Many would say master, some would say master of competition. Scholar, can you tell us, so far the commission has been going on really, really well. This is the 2025 edition. What are your thoughts on it for this year? What are your expectations for it this year?
Well, one of the golden things about this year is having the defending Manning Cup champion be a part of the nucleus, which is big. We have the Ben Francis champion here as well. So having those two big-time teams a part of the 2025 Cup, as well as we heard from Issa's chairman, that they're fully backing and endorsing this tournament, that's all we need. So those are the big things, so the people need to know what is going on. And we're looking forward to having them here because there's a lot to celebrate this year. A lot to celebrate.
Hey, we make a big step on. To be honest, I feel good with myself to know that, we do it our way from grassroots and build it. And like Walter said, Ali choose it for a reason. Every day I ask them, we there for the compound since Monday. Every day from morning we on the compound to the evening. A lot of past players. You can see Fabian. You see so many past players. Before you don't see one player, two players. There's so many players coming in. The greatest will be here, one of the greatest Excelsior. Booker says, head the leg.
For the legendary match, because once the Tapa versus something for the match, you can't get the last time Tapa come match of place, Walter match of place. We can't have them on the same side again,
Well, really and true.
This year. This year, it won't be Theodore. Yeah, it won't be the All-Star. This year we will be playing the KC Masters. Yeah. So that also is it will be a very entertaining game. KC have a lot of very good players also. You know that Fabian Davis from the World Cup squad, is also a part of that squad. They have a couple players that You know?
Me have to link my friend because I have a friend, an old boy named Craig Davis, you know. Yeah, man. Old boy. He always give me so sticky, you know. And man, a customer, but baller from back in the time. I save my take part tonight. Samo, this commission, since the start of it, you have led it with passion. But passion alone is not enough, you know. Tough, but passion alone not enough. Passion gear drive, and we continue to have a drive from passion. But how difficult is it where sponsorship is concerned, funding is concerned, to keep it going?
To be honest here, for the first time, we really get people to sponsor. Like I always say, I have to thank Smith, Pronto, Pipe Cannon Jackson, Florida Foundation, Tutor Perina, Sunbelt, you know, Sama Isaac and Son, Complete Shipping, SK Korea, Western Sports, Saka Express, and it's for the first time, Mr. Earlier Walter will tell you that, yo, we come to the school and since Monday there is no one we're jumping around and a shuffle. Everything's all transmission, everything we're taking care of before we get here. We're just sitting down right now, just enjoying ourselves. We're going to watch the Manning Cup team play a practice game. Yo, General, yo, legendary. Yo, these guys make my work so easy, and I'm being honest, I'm so humble with it because listen, I can't do it by myself, and I will not do it by myself. And when Walter looked at me, the first thing he said to me, yo, this year I'm fully in with the Manning Cup team, and him said, listen to me, interview everywhere he was with me. The first interview, no, he's here. So
Yeah. And it's a good look, man. It's a good look. It's a definitely good look. And we have some 3 days of high intense activities, a lot of stress, a lot of work. But we're going to top it off with a big match, I say, KC versus Excelsior. But big up yourself, Sambo. Big up.
Much love, much love.
It's a boy. Legend. Bless her.